Let me show you something that solidifies that you don't need a million views or sometimes even 1,000 views to be able to actually get a sponsor. Now, if you look at this video that I did, it looks like utter shit. Look at these views. Barely anybody stayed to watch. I had 600 engaged views, 4 hours of watch time, and 25 seconds of average view duration. By all intents and purposes, this is a failed short. You would think that. However, I got this particular email from that one short. Now, to give you the gist of it, if you don't want to pause and actually read what went on with this, they basically said they found me because of this short and they would like for me to work with them. It is a clear sign that you do not need to be Mr. Perfect or Mrs. Perfect to actually get this to work. We're gonna start off with Keymailer. Keymailer is interesting because it allows you to go through an assortment of video games and actually request that the devs give you access. The best part about that is that they review you on a case-to-case basis, or they have their teams review you on a case-to-case basis based off of you just hitting this little request button. It's very intimate and I love it for that. Lurkit.com is very similar to Keymailer in the way that you're able to be more intimate. If you go over here to this key section, you'll see that we have a large assortment of more of the main titles that you'll see, but also there's a lot of indie game devs, so you can really jump around and see what you want. Besides that, it also has the upgrades, in my opinion, of being able to make you money. So you go over here to this quest tab and you can actually view quests, and depending on your availability and viewership that you get, you're able to get paid to do something. They have a fill out tab right here where you can request the amount of money and tell them how long you'll spend doing the stream or video that you'll do for them. Besides that, they have this really cool creator program, which I think is really unique to any one of these sponsor websites for gamers, where you're able to actually join a program based on your viewership, and then that gives you automatic access to the catalog of these game developers. Next up, we got Stash. It does have an assortment of games, but it is a very small list, as you can see. I have not really gotten too far into it, but this one is an option. We have terminals.io, which has a very unique system where you can actually set up a profile, and it's a little bit more intimate, but also a lot more corporate, which I do not enjoy too much about it, but I do overall enjoy the fact that it allows you the opportunity to apply for a lot of games. So for example, you go over here to view all, and you have this list assortment. You can go ahead and hit key request open to then filter which ones are available to you. However, they do not have many options, but these are for bigger titles. Exola is interesting in the way of where if you want to promote games more and also get more revenue from it, this is probably going to be a good one for you. It's kind of like affiliate marketing where you get a revenue share for most titles, but they also do offer keys. So you have to be on the lookout and bounce around a lot to be able to see what's going to be a good fit for you. Next up, we got noise.gg. Now this one is interesting because I have not gotten too many opportunities from the time that I've been a part of their program, but they do have interesting opportunities. As you can see right here on the docket, they have a lot more than this that they've had in the past, but it is a very interesting website in the way that it's very professional and they are no nonsense to a certain degree, but they also have that smaller selection. Now this next one is mainly for streamers. It's called streamer.instreamly. I am personally streaming on Twitch, YouTube, etc. Links in the description. Point being, this one's interesting just to get little side sponsorships, little pop-up sponsorships on your stream, and I believe you can also do it if you stream to YouTube. Finally, we have Press Engine, which I have sadly not gotten access to yet. Press Engine, please stop being dickheads. But anyway, the point is that this one is very interesting when I found it because of the fact that it says right here that this is for video game press, content creators, and influencers. And not only that, but video game PR agencies or indie developers. So I'm really interested in trying to jump into that one, and it's one that I'm going to be focused on getting into in the future. So I recommend you do too as well. Now that was just a quick rundown of how you can quickly gain sponsorships. But if you wish to continue watching this video, let me show you how you could possibly build an infrastructure and how I would do this in 2026. So that way you're getting the most out of your time and energy. Here's an example I can show you, the 18th Attic. I seen that this was available on both Lurkit and Keymailer. So what I did was I applied for one on both of these websites, and because I multi-stream personally, I'm able to do this all in one stream with the same piece of content because it works through the system. I am not abusing the developers. I am giving them the content they want. It's just in two different formats. Now, what I do with this is I take the opportunity to then promote to my community on the Discord and put it into my stream schedule, / maybe if you're doing YouTube recorded videos, in my recording that I'm doing a giveaway. When you're doing something like that, it allows more viewers to tune in at a specific date as long as you have it archived on your calendar. And that makes it so it's easier for you to develop your audience and reward them without having to spend your own money. Now, while that's one of the strategies, you can do that same strategy across the board on all of these different things. Like, for example, as you can see here, there's Enshrouded at the top left. I actually did an Enshrouded stream on my Twitch months ago. I wanted to work with them again, so that way we can do another one because I really enjoyed their game. But they weren't able to come to terms with things because they didn't have extra keys available. Sad for me, but the point is that you guys can find them across the board, and sometimes even on things like Xsolla, you're able to go ahead and find things like new revenue shares, which maximizes your profits even further. If you would like to figure out an even more in-depth plan for what you can do between all these websites for your particular channel, you can contact me through my website, which is also linked down below in the description. Now, before you leave, let me tell you about how you can use your social media platforms to also get you sponsorships. Now, as you can see here, you have my X, which if I show you, clearly has no following. I'm actually following more people than I have followers. However, because of the fact that I post on here, I have actually been building connections with small and bigger streamers as well as YouTube creators through it, which is actually surprising at how successful I have been. Besides that, you also have the chance to get in contact with devs, and you're probably wondering how. The answer is actually quite simple. You curate your feed so that way you only see things that will help for your business. And this can apply across the board for vlog channels, gaming channels, whatever. And again, that's another thing that I'll cover some other day. If you guys would like to see that happen, then make sure to comment below. But point being, as you can see here, I have a lot of stuff on gamers, like game devs, right? This is a game developer. That shit looks creepy and weird, but that's the type of stuff that I would definitely want to play. Besides that, we have informational things on vidIQ. We have cool gaming moments, weird ass indie games, all that stuff. And this allows me to constantly get in contact with indie game devs of smaller sizes. It is the easiest way to actually possibly get to DM people. And the hardest part about it is you might have to pay a few dollars to have premium X, and that's something I'm not really willing to do because I'm not really in need of sponsorships. But if you want to increase your chances to be able to do that, you easily can. Besides that, let me just show you a use case for why I think that this is awesome. Because of me scouring through X and talking to people and just liking the right content, basically developing my feed, I was able to find this Discord, which actually gives away game keys. It's called New Game Club. Now, what you can do here is go to the giveaway tab. And in the giveaway tab, you can see they're adding people and whatnot. But Log Rider, 7 keys, right? This is a stupid little fun game where you're just going through, doing your thing, and you could screw your homie over. You can do whatever the fuck you want. It's fun. I'm not going to guarantee you're going to get anything here, but there's an opportunity, and that's one more opportunity than you had before. So I'll also link this down below in the description. If I forget to, bully me in the comments. My next use case would have to be Instagram, where I got my first ever sponsorship. This is for the company Coast Smokes, right? I have about 12,000 followers on Instagram. So you don't really need 12,000 followers as long as you have like 1,000 or something like that, because that's when I got this first sponsorship, was back then. You're able to do stuff like this. And all I did to get this sponsorship, if I remember correctly, was I honestly seen their posts, I seen their brand, and I was like, well, screw it, let me contact them. Remember guys, closed mouths do not get fed in any industry. You gotta go out your way to contact people at times. Not always, but at times, and it usually works. If you guys are tired of the bullshit fluff you see gurus talking about and want actual tips that help you grow, you can hit my website link that is going to be right under that first link.